Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can revoke share files from private share on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From here, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on biometrics and security. Next, we go down and tap on private share. In here, you want to tap on the conversation or on a contact that you have share files to. And then tap on the option key at the top. From here, tap on revoke share files. Now you can choose which files to revoke. You can select one file to revoke or many, or you can tap on the all button at the top to select all the files, and then tap on the revoke share button, revoke sharing button at the bottom. And from the pop-up, tap on the revoke button to confirm. And that's it. Now we are revoking access to the files, and that means the other person will no longer be able to view the file. And that's it. Finally, we can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.